Hey guys, what's going on? How are you guys? Welcome to my segment for the Alzheimer's Longest Day event. This is my second event for the Alzheimer's. We're going to make over this cute little canvas today. So I have had this for a hot minute. Look at this cute little giraffe print. We're going to spruce it up some, give it some bling, give it some sparkle. It's kind of discolored around the edging here, I think because of the wood behind it. So we're going to do something with that. This is just a big jute rope. I'm going to start down here at the bottom, I think right in the middle. And I'm just going to give this whole thing a frame. So see how we have the first layer on there just like that, but that kind of looks unfinished. So I'm going to go ahead and give it two more wraps around. Look at how cute, guys. Isn't that adorable? Look at all that. It just gave this a whole new look. So I have these strips of stick-on like rhinestones. What I want to do is go around the frame because we have that little bit of yellowing around here, and I want to lay that directly as close to that jute as possible. So that's going to hide that little bit of discoloration around the frame and give it a little bit of bling, because you know I like my bling. Now we're going to add lots of sparkle. We're going to take my favorite stuff, which is diamond dust. Y'all know me, I use diamond dust a lot. And I'm going to diamond dust just the giraffe, okay? That is the beauty of diamond dust, y'all. See how I'm saying you don't have to be perfectly perfect within the lines? Now what I want to do is I have some paper flowers. I want to give this little giraffe, let's name her Betsy. I want to give her some 3D flowers. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute like that. What I had planned is I have some Totally Dazzled bling that I want to bling it out with. I've had this raffia bow sitting on my desk. I was thinking about putting it down here to cover up that seam. So I'm just going to put some hot glue right here on this crown.